Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a baseboard radiator, okay, for a boiler heater, okay. What I got here is a 3-feet baseboard heater. What you want to do, lay it down. Locate where you want it. Pop it off. Pop this off. Pop it on the wall. Then take this off. I should wear a glove. This is very sharp. Okay. Basically, what you want to do is drill a hole through it. Screw it against the wall. Drill a hole. And screw it in. Let me get the glove. This is very, very sharp. These are for the radiator. Right there is the bleeder. Alright, the angle for the bleeder. On this side, I can't put this angle in, because that's a female. to a female. So what I want to do, there's a connector for it, but I don't have it. So what I want to do is I'm going to cut a piece of copper. Got an air bleeder valve here. Okay, I need to install. I'm going to install on this side. Okay, I'll make sure the hole is actually pointing outward. It's easier for me to bleed. Okay, as you can see right there, to bleed the hole. So what I need to do, cut this base. Now, all you need to do, it's easy. It doesn't matter which way is which. There's no top, no bottom. So, you want to hook on to the bottom Okay, you want to hook onto the bottom and pull it up. Okay, lock it. Okay. Now you actually have the input cap. These are $14 a piece. You got a right and a left. Make sure you okay. You have a right and a left. All you need to do, it's completely sealed. Okay, that's how you install a baseboard radiator. So I'm not going to show you the whole connection. That it's just a little soldering downstairs. So, but mainly all the main stuff is done. That's how you install it. So, but if you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Alright, thank you.